Unlocking the magic. The meaning of a fairy tale ending. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a magical expression that's as enchanting as it is popular. A fairy tale ending. This phrase conjures up images of castles, heroes, and, most importantly, happy endings. But what does it really mean, especially in everyday language? Stick around as we explore the depths of this phrase, making it crystal clear and showing you how to use it in your own English conversations. A fairy tale ending refers to a perfectly happy conclusion to a story, situation, or event, much like the endings found in fairy tales. These stories often conclude with the phrase, "and they lived happily ever after," signifying a resolution where everything turns out for the best, often in a manner that exceeds ordinary expectations. When we use this phrase in English, we're invoking the same sense of ideal resolution and happiness. The concept of a fairy tale ending is deeply rooted in the traditional fairy tales we've heard since childhood. These stories, passed down through generations, commonly feature heroes overcoming obstacles, villains being defeated, and love triumphing over all. The phrase embodies the essence of these narratives, a universal longing for happiness and a perfect resolution. This phrase can be versatile, used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Here are a few examples. In storytelling, the movie had a fairy tale ending, with the protagonists reuniting against all odds. In real life, after many years of struggle, their reunion was like a fairy tale ending. In sports, the underdog team's victory was a fairy tale ending to the season. Remember, using this phrase adds a touch of optimism and magic to the conversation, implying that the outcome is as satisfying as it is unexpected. Incorporating a fairy tale ending into your language not only enriches your vocabulary but also allows you to express hope and happiness in a creative way. It's a reminder that, despite life's challenges, there's always room for a storybook conclusion. This phrase encourages us to dream big and believe in happy endings. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting journey through the meaning and usage of a fairy tale ending. I hope this exploration adds a little magic to your English conversations and inspires you to look for, or create, your own fairy tale endings in life. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about painting pictures and evoking emotions. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep speaking beautifully.